Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming access and pairing your LTO device. This ensures data integrity from the first write. Once paired, enter the project and asset ID, then set a clear baseline timestamp so future entries align. Now open the dashboard and create a new log, selecting the frequency and retention policy. This decides how often the tracker records and how long records persist. Make sure to save settings. Doing so activates the initial sync and starts the automated captures immediately. Once the log exists, map each field precisely so entries are useful later. Include timestamp, sensor readings, status codes, and any custom tags. Then set triggers, thresholds for alerts, notification channels, and conditional automation to reduce manual checks. Run a controlled test right to verify mapping and trigger behavior. Inspect both raw and parsed views to catch parsing errors. If values shift or alerts misfire, adjust field types and trigger conditions, then repeat the test until outputs match expectations exactly. To finalize, enable backups, set an export schedule, and lock down user permissions so only authorized people can change logs. Monitor the first 24 to 72 hours closely for anomalies, duplicates, or gaps. This reveals timing or parsing issues early. If something goes wrong, first check device connectivity and API token validity, then confirm field mappings and time zones. Make small corrective changes and rerun a test write. Once stable, document the setup so you or others can reproduce it without guesswork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.